Welcome to Stage 2 of our waterproofing model demonstration. Before we begin, let's quickly revisit the first two steps. Always make sure that wall sheeting and floor sheeting are securely installed in line with the manufacturer's specifications. Today is a general demonstration only. Once confirmed, thoroughly clean the area, removing all dust, dirt, grease and debris to achieve a proper base for the system. For this stage, we're working with a water-based system. The primer is ACTFLEX 500 NP primer, and the membrane is ACTFLEX 906 WPU for both floors and walls. ACTFLEX 906 is a water-based polyurethane with high elongation, high tensile strength, and excellent build for film thickness. Ensure substrate and all fittings are installed to manufacturer specs before waterproofing. Apply Super Prime 008 to all PVC fittings. This ensures strong adhesion as PVC is non-porous and standard primers may not bond effectively. The first step is priming. ACTFLEX 500 NP primer is water-based, grit-filled and provides very high adhesion. Open the container and pre-mix thoroughly, raising the resins from the bottom for a uniform blend. Apply to floors and walls, starting with corners, penetrations and niches using a brush. Then roll across the full floor and wall surfaces, including the perimeter. Allow 1 to 2 hours for drying and ensure the primer is completely dry before moving forward. Once priming is complete, we move to junctions and penetrations using ACTFLEX SA tape. Cut lengths of SA tape, peel back the liner, and apply to corner junctions, niches, and tap penetrations. For neat corner junctions, cut pieces approximately 150 to 200 millimeters, fold in half, then cut a slit down the middle to form a 45-degree angle. Place this into the junction and overlap with longer runs of tape. Use a pressure roller to firmly press down the tape, ensuring full adhesion to the substrate. At the floor waist, apply a square piece of SA tape. Cut out the center, then make slits into the circle. Fold the tape down into the drain opening to form a neat and sealed detail. With all detailing complete, we now move to membrane application. Pre-mix ACTFLEX 906 thoroughly. Using a brush, detail all corners, niches and penetrations with a generous coat. Around taps, embed the SuperFlex collar directly into the wet coat of 906, smooth it out and then apply another coat over the top. This creates a seamless transition. Once the corners are treated, begin rolling the walls, working vertically from top to bottom to ensure even coverage. After completing the walls, roll the floor, making sure all perimeter and floor waist details have been completed beforehand. Check wet film thickness during application, with a target of 0.75 to 0.8 millimeters per coat. Allow the membrane to cure for 24 hours before recoating, or 4 to 6 hours in summer conditions. After the recoat time has passed, apply the second coat in the following sequence: walls, corners, and then floors. Maintain consistent wet film thickness checks to ensure compliance and durability. This concludes Stage 2 of the waterproofing model. In this stage, we checked wall and floor sheeting installation, cleaned and prepared the surface, applied ACTFLEX 500 NP primer, detailed corners, niches, penetrations, and drains with ACTFLEX SA tape and SuperFlex collars. and applied the first and second coats of ACTFLEX 906 WPU to both walls and floors. This water-based polyurethane system delivers high strength, flexibility, and long-lasting waterproofing performance.